What's up guys, Serge here. So the Mi Mix 2S, which has been confirmed by the company at Mobile World Congress 2018, has now surfaced online. The device, which was previously thought to have the notch bug, is following the same Mi Mix 2 design pattern. We have encountered some hands-on images of Mi Mix 2S on Weibo, and it shows that the device will completely resist a notch and looks very much similar to the current Mi Mix 2. The front camera is supposed to be placed on the bottom bezel, and on the back we can see that the device has a dual rear camera arrangement just like an iPhone 10, with a center positioned fingerprint scanner on the glossy ceramic panel. The volume brokers and power button are placed on the right hand side. Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S is expected to feature an OLED panel developed by Samsung and could be the most powerful device with Snapdragon 845 till date. So we are only 20 days away from the official launch of Mi Mix 2S, and we'll see a beast soon which will even compete with Galaxy S9 Plus in terms of performance. That said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.